Well, change of plans again here at the mill. I planned on doing that creek banked walnut this morning on the sawmill, and I may start sawing that thing up if time allows. But we got some rain moving in. I know that's a shocker, guys. We've been in a drought here for the past year, but I'm just messing with you there. We got some rain moving in about 2 hours. It looks like it's going to be a cold, wet weekend here at the mill, so I'm going to try to take advantage of the weather we have right now and go over to the log yard, which is about, I had some questions on the last video, how far the logs are away from the mill. Probably about 80 yards, I would say, from where the sawmill is. And if you're wondering why the logs are so far away, well, the reason is we got about 2 acres here on this side of the property that there's nothing there. It's not fenced in, there's nothing going on there. And there's the phone going. It always beeps when I'm trying to do something here. And but anyways, what was I talking about? Yeah, the log yard. So the log yard is about 80 yards away, and there's nothing over there. That's like a little 2-acre field between me and the farm right next to me. It's actually he's got about a 13-acre hay field on the other side of it. So that's a good place to store the logs. And what I'm hoping to do in the next few weeks, I got Glenn, the guy that does my backhoe work, he's going to come over here and build me a road that will connect to my gravel driveway going over to where the logs are. So when it's raining, I can still go over and get logs and bring them over to the mill. Right now with all this rain we've had, and everything's just a wet sponge, you just walk around on this property and it's like a swamp. I've never seen nothing like it. I was talking to some of the farmers in this area that have been here a lot longer than I've been alive. And I was talking to Mike Conkin the other day. He's in his late 70s. And he said he has never seen this area this wet as it has been for the past years. So that's saying something when these farmers that's been here their whole lives are talking about how wet it is. And I'm not really exaggerating here on these videos. I complain about the rain. It's not like it's an every year occurrence here. We are experiencing more rain than we ever have around here. That's the weather report. We got rain coming in 2 hours and cold all weekend and possible snow on Sunday. And that's what's going on. So we're going to try to take advantage here the next 2 hours before the rain starts and get some logs to the sawmill. So this weekend I can have some neat stuff to saw up for you guys. Now I got a creek banked walnut on the mill right now, and there's another creek banked walnut over here in the field that I need to move and bring up to the mill. Get the tractor warmed up, and if you're wondering why the tractor's in the garage, I had somebody ask the other day why the tractor's in the garage for. Well, I don't have a proper place to store the tractor yet, and I really don't want to put it out in the weather. It's brand new. It's only got, I think, 4.5 hours on it, so I don't want to leave it out in the weather. And there's no room in the sawmill building for it at all. So this is the best place for it right now until we build a proper barn. And we're going to be doing that probably before springtime. I got 2 or 3 spots picked out here to put a pole barn up, and I'm not sure which one I'm going to do it at. I've got to put up a building for the Mahindra, for the New Holland tractor, and the little Cub Cadet lawn tractor as well, and all my implements. So I need to build a decent sized pole barn here to house all that stuff. Well, the rain is moving in sooner than later, unfortunately. I'm gonna take the tractor over and get that other creek baked walnut, take it up to the mill, and we'll see what happens.